Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Arif bin Yusli. I am 23 years old and I'm currently studying in UNIZA of Gombada. Previously, I studied in UM Kuala Lumpur, but now currently we're talking of the current state of me, and I am in Terengganu. I am the youngest of my siblings, and I am from Kelantan, a proud Kelantanese. That's me. Very good looking, smiling. It became very fundamental of me to study company law, as thus, at the beginning of the week, there was an introductory section of the provided overview of the course and its objective. The lecturer provided a concise overview of the course structure, emphasizing significant subjects and the key deadlines. During the week 2, the professor provided a comprehensive explanation of the specific legal matters that arise when starting a partnership, and this is begins with the lex letter. We provided a movie and we had discussed the companionships with the movie itself. It is rather entertaining week. During the week 3, we had one-on-one sessions on the formations of partnership that we understand the agreement that shows the roles and responsibilities of each individual involved and outlines the partnership's framework. During the week 4, we study about the in-depth examination was conducted on the intricacies of partners' interactions as regulated by Part 4 of the Partnership Act 1961. On the week 5, we study the explanations of each sections of the Act pertaining to the liability of a firm. We learned a lot in the class about the liability of a firm that was stated in the Partnership Act itself. During the week 6, we had the great honor of understanding online lecture from Mr. Ahmad Muaz, and invited guests to study of the sessions, covered the theory, also the experience of some advice from the speaker itself. During the week 7, we studied the solutions of the partnership, the dissolution of the agreement and retirement from partnership at will, notice to dissolve, and converting a fixed term partnership to an at will partnership. Overall dissolution. During the week 8, my mates and I had an excursion, the opportunity to Bukit Jalil Stadium to watch the Malaysia Cup final of Terengganu FC against Johor. It was a rather competitive match and I had very much enjoyed it. Go Terengganu, go Pantai Timur. During the week 9, we have studied the introduction of the company law. A marketer is someone or something that starts and organizes a business. A promoter is the individual who launches a firm and forms a company in a corporate law. That is the role of a promoter. By week 10 of the company law, we extensively discussed the concept and formation of a company. Additionally, we discussed the implications of a business transitioning from a formal corporate structure to a more standard procedure. As for our project that we have made, the subject is a drafting partnership agreement. We have learned to create a partnership agreement for Everytime Mart, a company that we made up for this project. The agreement shows the roles and responsibilities of each individual involved and outlines the partnership framework. It functions as a set of guidelines and governing our interactions, so we don't collide with one another. On the law, my time of studying company law is a very fun week. In the recent weeks of lessons have mostly focused on the principles and associations of the corporate law. My education has enhanced me of understanding the legal issues that arise in the context of business operations. By acquiring knowledge on topics such as company initiation and management and legal frameworks, I've gained a more comprehensive comprehension of the intricacies of the corporate law itself. I am grateful and I'm happy and I am famished to learn more. Thank you very much. That's from me, Muhammad Arif. Please vote for me. Pangkah Bulan.